With a population of over 210 million, Pakistan is the world's fifth most populous nation. 99% of its people are Muslim, and its urban populace is steadily growing. Located near the border of the Indian state of Punjab, Lahore is one of the wealthiest cities in the country. With a population of over 11 million, Lahore is steeped in rich history and culture along cosmopolitan streets. To reach this bustling city, local Adventists began by sharing the health message. They conducted health seminars in different parts of the city to educate people on health and well-being. Thana is one of the many community members who benefited from these seminars. She is a mother of two, and just like many people who live in a busy city, she had no time to cook. So Thana became a regular customer at fast food chains. From burgers and pizza to shawarmas and chicken, they were on her list. But after she attended an Adventist seminar on healthy eating, her appetite for fast food soon turned bland.
Fruits and vegetables can make a great impact on our lives. Their sweetness is reflected in our lives, and it influences other people.
Before coming to the health seminars, Thana had heard about the benefits of a healthy diet, but she struggled to change her and her family's lifestyle. She soon began to see how unhealthy food was affecting her son's life. She wasn't sure how to make the change until she attended the church's health seminars. There, she understood how healthy choices could transform her well-being.
I realized that what I have learned today, this was missing from my life. The things that I missed in my life were vegetables and fruits. These precious gifts of God were missing in my family's life. That's why we had so many health problems.
Thana now practices what she learned in the meetings and is sharing her experiences with the rest of her family. She saw amazing results gradually take place in her and her son's health. She discovered new ways to make their daily meals exciting and colorful. Overall, these lifestyle changes encouraged her to discover more about how she could live a balanced life. There are many individuals in Lahore who, like Thana, desperately need help to change their lifestyles. The Adventist Church in Lahore dreams of building an urban center of influence where they can connect to the community through principles for healthy living. They hope to provide nutritional assessments, classes on meal preparation, and individual counseling. Ultimately, the church in Lahore aspires to help improve the lives of many others, like Thana.
The Adventist diet is essential for our families because most of it is prepared at home with things available at home. Food prepared at home is preferred over fast foods. So we need to teach everyone about how fruits and green vegetables can have great meaning in our lives.
This quarter, part of your 13th Sabbath offering will make this center in Lahore, Pakistan, a reality. Thank you for supporting Adventist Mission.